Half the people who stay at Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana call it the best vacation of their lives. The other half say it simply is not worth the price. With rates that can easily climb toward $1,000 a night, people are genuinely divided. So today, we settled it. We went through thousands of real guest reviews, compared it against the top Caribbean resorts, and came back with one honest answer. Stay until the end, because the verdict might surprise you.
What is this place? Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana opened in late 2019 on Juanillo Beach in the Dominican Republic, widely considered one of the most beautiful stretches of sand in the entire Caribbean. 375 rooms, 6 restaurants, 7 bars, a full water park, and just 15 minutes from Punta Cana airport. It sits inside the exclusive gated community of Cap Cana, quieter, more upscale, and a world away from the crowded Punta Cana strip. Sounds perfect. But is it actually? The case against it. Before we show you why people love it, let's be fair and talk about why some people call it overrated. First, the price. While you can find rates starting around $569 per night, top suites can easily cross $1,600 depending on the season. For a family of 4, that adds up fast. Second, the size. This resort is enormous. One reviewer literally said their daily step count reached marathon levels just getting around the property. Third, some guests have noted that seasonal seaweed or murkier water can occasionally affect the shoreline. And fourth, it is not a party resort. While there is nightly entertainment, the atmosphere quiets down significantly late in the evening. So those are the genuine criticisms. Now let's see if the resort earns its price tag. Getting there. Punta Cana International Airport connects to 26 countries with direct flights, making this one of the most accessible luxury resorts in the Caribbean. From the airport, it is 15 minutes by taxi or shuttle. No long transfers, no winding roads. Once inside the Cap Cana gates, the atmosphere immediately shifts. Quieter, greener, more private. If you want quick access to the beach and main pools on arrival, request Tower 3 when booking. Tower 1 is further back near the water park, and that extra walking to the ocean becomes very noticeable after a long travel day. The rooms. Hyatt markets this as an all-suite style resort. All 375 rooms offer a minimum of 600 square feet, a private balcony, a stocked minibar refreshed daily, a 55-inch TV, bathrobes, and a rainfall shower. The swim-up suites are the most requested on the property. Step directly from your patio into the pool. They sell out months ahead of time, so book early, especially around Christmas and Easter. Families should look at the 2-bedroom family suites. Generous space, multiple beds, and room for everyone without feeling cramped. Couples celebrating something special should consider the master suites, which feature private whirlpool tubs and priority restaurant access. Whichever room you pick, the quality is consistent. Guests rarely complain about the suites themselves. The food. 6 restaurants and 7 bars, most of which are included. The lineup covers a gourmet international buffet, Mexican, Italian, Asian, Mongolian, Caribbean grill, and the property's crown jewel, the Blind Butcher. Note that this Argentine-style steakhouse is an additional charge experience for guests 13 and older, but it shows up in nearly every 5-star review. Premium spirits and cocktails are unlimited and genuinely top shelf, not the watered-down house pours you find at budget all-inclusives. Across thousands of reviews, the same phrase appears constantly. The food was outstanding. Kids go wild for the pizza nights and ice cream stations. Adults gravitate to the swim-up Coconuts bar and the adults-only lounge in the attached Zilara section. Here is the one practical tip that saves your holiday. Book your preferred restaurants on day 1. The resort promotes the idea of a new restaurant every night of your stay, but popular spots like the Blind Butcher fill up within hours of guests arriving. Don't wait until day 3. Pools, water park, and beach. This is genuinely where Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana separates itself from almost every other family resort in the region. Multiple infinity pools, swim-up bars, shallow splash zones for toddlers, and a dedicated water park with 5 slides and a lazy river. All exclusively for resort guests. No day visitors, no outside bookings crowding the slides. Just the people staying here. Juanillo Beach is the real deal. White sand, calm turquoise water, beach butlers delivering drinks and snacks directly to your sunbed. Guests call it the cleanest and most peaceful beach they have experienced anywhere in the Caribbean. The honest caveat: during certain seasons, the ocean water can lose some clarity. This is not unique to Ziva and affects all Punta Cana properties. The pools are consistently perfect, and most guests spend the majority of their time there anyway. Never a dull moment. Built for families from the ground up. The Kids Club runs programs for ages 3 to 12. The Teens Club handles 13 to 17. Both offer structured daily schedules, mini Olympics, themed parties, crafts, games, with staff that guests describe repeatedly as genuinely caring rather than just doing a job. For adults, beach volleyball, tennis, Zumba, aqua gym, cooking classes, karaoke, and nightly theater shows. The Zen Spa covers 22,750 square feet. Golfers can arrange tee times at Punta Espada or Corrales, two of the best courses in the entire Caribbean. Excursions to eco-parks, snorkeling trips, and deep sea fishing are all bookable at the tour desk. On a rainy day, indoor playbook, sports bar, and a 24-hour fitness center. There is genuinely no reason to be bored here. The staff question. Here is what nobody expects when they arrive: the staff. In thousands of reviews, guests name individual employees: bartenders, pool servers, lifeguards, kids club counselors. All mentioned by first name, all praised for doing things nobody asked them to do. One guest described a lifeguard bringing cold water to her exhausted husband unprompted. Another wrote that a bartender remembered their exact drink order every single day for a week. A family had a lost passport recovered by management within minutes. These are not cherry-picked stories. They appear across TripAdvisor, Trip.com, and Google with remarkable consistency.
The resort holds a 4.9 out of 5 on TripAdvisor from over 7,100 reviews.
That rating at that volume is almost statistically impossible to maintain. The staff are the primary reason it does. How it stacks up. 3 direct competitors. Moon Palace the Grand Cancun is similarly priced, also family-friendly, with 9 pools and a bowling alley. But its TripAdvisor rating sits at 4.7, below Ziva's 4.9. Excellence Punta Cana runs a bit lower, but is strictly adults only. And Lopesan Costa Bávaro offers a beautiful, modern family setup nearby, but its massive size can make the service feel less personal. For families wanting that perfect sweet spot of upscale luxury, quiet exclusivity, and consistent 5-star service, nothing in this exact region touches what Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana offers. Timing and booking smart. December through April brings perfect weather but peak prices and crowds. May through July and October through November offer real discounts. Sometimes 15% off with spa or cabana credits included through the Hyatt website. Avoid August and September where possible. Hurricane season and typically higher seaweed levels. Late November is the sweet spot. The weather is excellent and the Christmas crowds haven't arrived yet. The verdict. Overrated or the best? Here is the straight answer. The criticisms are real. It is expensive, it is large, and the ocean has seasonal limitations. Those are fair points. But none of them hold up against what the resort actually delivers. Extraordinary staff, exceptional food, a stunning beach, a water park that keeps families entertained all day, and a level of consistency that almost no resort at this scale manages to maintain. For families wanting a luxury all-inclusive in the Caribbean, Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana is not overrated. If anything, it is underappreciated given how new it still is. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for a new resort review every week. See you in the next one.